다 가장 공도 가르에 심계기 멤버 심계 라시에 거리야 안 당부들이야 심절로 메다와 이말에 다디 공도 쉬스미체 다들은 이바디 네 심계 편 자데 이말에
We have been discussing the precepts for aspirational bodhicitta. Yesterday we spoke about the first of these, which is not giving up on sentient beings. So today we will speak about the second, which is recalling the benefits of bodhicitta.
다니 전주심계 편을 자데 또 전주심계 민년바체베 탑이 인수하네. 다이나 지당기 심질로 메다와다 편체하다 라소바 다칸더라 바지 랍자 시우 아마 시부디 바지 디차데 유서 가사 첸딜이야 심게 민년바 미제바차가 탑 레딩이 요임라
It is said that recalling the benefits of bodhicitta is a method to make sure that our bodhicitta does not decrease. But actually, I think we could say that not giving up on sentient beings, recalling the benefits of bodhicitta and so forth, the four precepts that we have discussed, that we have already mentioned, now all of these are primarily so that we do not. So that our bodhicitta does not wane in this life, nor do we forget it in this life.
당연히야, 너마 타게나마 가수나마 르샤나. 니버심게베 편연 템퍼럴 자와라 라바시 자와 전주기 세미냐 베탑데 시야나 전주 남전에게 대더메 베셈다는 깨베인데 가이마 되는 동복거바인 돌리 차베라듯이 제발라서바 숭데 대한 도텔레 셈게베 편 베자다 베니게 숨주섬기고는 숭발라 대다탐지 편이 고침모 실드바 인소 대한 저기부 전주기 셈는 상객이 최탐지기 사변도 위어 탐지 세버체베 남도기 부더부 제발라서바니 라는 중에 배윤노 로아 탐지 용수교배나 내더부 로아 탐지 땐더부 제발라 소바는 신준종의 배연노 녀모베달의 개월체변 동더부 동해기 주시랍도 최버제베 따르더부 제발라 소바는 미딘비 차탐지 제베 배연노 삼바 탐지 용수 조버제베 부모 삼보더부 뇌바 탐지 용수 루버제베 이신기 노버로 모체더부 제발라 소바네 튠베 차탐지 제베 배연네 대더부 배연 대다 탐지 템버체베 배연지기 전주기 섬데라 지치지 초를 점버죠. 대더럽게 냠솔라네 심데만 냠버. 경원을 요에 이노. 대나 편연에 대다 다도 템버차신 타나 튼수기 있는 공 수야 내래 템버차오.
Perhaps it's best to read from the text. To explain the second point, to train in remaining mindful of the benefits of bodhicitta, which constitutes the means of guarding against its degradation, there are statements such as the following from the Lamp for the Path of Enlightenment. Whatever benefits there be in developing the aspiration for enlightenment have been explained by Maitreya in the Gandavyuha Sutra and other texts. In that sutra, the benefits of bodhicitta are presented through 230 similes, and it states that all these benefits can be subsumed into four categories. The sutra states, "Child of good family, this bodhicitta is like the seed of all Buddha's qualities. Because it dispels spiritual poverty, it is like the god of wealth." This and other similes concern the benefits for oneself. Then it says, "Because it provides excellent protection for all beings, it is like a refuge, and because it sustains all beings, it is like the supporting earth." This statement and others illustrate the benefit for others. Then it says, "Because it defeats the enemy, the afflictions, it is like a spear. because it fells the mighty tree of suffering. It is like an axe. These statements and others illustrate the benefit it brings in cutting away wrong views. Then it says, because it completely fulfills all intentions, it is like the enchanted vase. Because it makes all wishes come true, it is like a wish-fulfilling gem. These statements illustrate its benefit in causing the accomplishment of everything that goes in the right direction. Through being mindful of the above benefits, you will come to greatly value the bodhicitta and appreciate its excellence. When this has been first achieved and then maintained through practice, it protects the bodhicitta from degradation. Therefore, always be mindful of bodhicitta's benefits, even should it be just for a short while in every watch of the day.
다들이야 다 심게 표현들라 다들이 가져에 동북외벽에 너의 나로야 수샤벽에 심게 표현 전고를 수하되 창조람들 자와래 안다는 신기티게다 창조람들 란데 니게 나로야 수요아레스 동북외벽 돌아 소반의 수비 심게 표현이 전고를 체제 수요아레스
Regarding the benefits of bodhicitta, these benefits that are listed in the Gandavyuha Sutra, and recalling these benefits, it is said in the Lamp for the Path of Enlightenment, both in the root text and in the auto-commentary, that one should remember these benefits that are described in the Gandavyuha Sutra as well as in other sutras.
표현이 다 동북교반의 순샤벽이 빼자라 수주섬기 관에 빼관에 다도는 지심기의 표현 대여바 되게 안바 노르듀비이미나 표현이 고침부 실은 두그래서.
Now, if we are to summarize all of the benefits of bodhicitta that are given in the Gandavyuha Sutra by way of the 230 examples, they can be summarized in 4 different categories.
다디 표현이 고침부 실이 가르가르 슈비이미나 당부대 랑된 중의 표현 니바대 현된 중의 표현 순바대 미튼베 초탐제 제베 표현 시바대 튼베 초탐제 주베 표현 단도나 멤버심기에게 표현대 노르듀베이미나 답베 투메고네 그래 동북교변 돌배 투메고네 대샤바데 노르듀비나 하는 표현대 시보들은 누구래스.
So what are these 4 categories? The first is that it is the wellspring of benefit for oneself. The second is that it is the wellspring of benefit for others. The third is that it eliminates all impediments. And the fourth is that it accomplishes all the favorable conditions. So there are many benefits for aspirational bodhicitta, such as the many given in the analogies in the Gandavyuha Sutra. And in brief, they are all, to summarize them, they are all contained within these 4.
다디 나는 지당기 다들 마셔도 다 주십니다. 다들이 주산에 표현 대다경 가르에 조디 천주그 셈데 바지 매년바 공내 공배도 요하다 천주그 셈래야 쪼아패야 체도 안에 셈게베 표현이 두다도 잡아 자오레스 타나야 변하지 튼수의 능공라 안에 레를 장고레스.
These benefits, recalling these benefits, is primarily so that our bodhicitta does not decrease and instead that it increase and flourish. It is also so that we feel delight and joy about our bodhicitta. It's for that reason we need to continually remind ourselves of bodhicitta, even if it is only one time for each watch of the day.
디금생 가라이사나 아는 지 첸데라 진짜 쉐비나 첸데라 심게 미년바 지 용거래서 제자다 다기 심질뢰 마다와데 첸데라 심게 미년바 랍서 당보듯이 다다데 심게베 편연 차데 첸데라 심게 미년바 랍서 니바디 임바래
And so for the reason for this is that it prevents our bodhicitta from decreasing during this life. So in this way, the first precept, not giving up on sentient beings, is to prevent our bodhicitta from decreasing, is the first precept for preventing our bodhicitta from decreasing. And recalling the benefits of bodhicitta is the second.
지당기 다 배운 삼다데 계침으로지 다대야지 편유사데 야타지도 아주 리졸트사지 용어로 받아 디지보 삼마마다체 리졸트스 잔다지 터도그 춤제를 용어로 봐 디지보 삼마마다체 편유사데 코랑 저규그 취에디 계획랑신인데 그치 저는 인두산에 계획랑신인베 인두산에 안데 코랑랑게 계획랑신 임바zam게 지 셈레야 지 조아피야 지다 셈레야 가와게야 지 디르중으로 봐. 다 줌제를 삼다면 의미나 줌제를 삼네 베주셰비미나 다 줌제를 마토고 바도 안 콜라바지 조아용고 말아. 줌제를 탑선은 아니 신내지 다 줌제 터서 삼바르지 조아용으로 봐. 이내 깜들이야 아주지 조아피야 사디 코란 치 베나지 심게 코란 계획을 시인 봐. 저는 미주사는 고라 심게 고라 냠는 차 고라 계획을 시제는 차디 민주사는 다디 규전 되는 거지 섬을 조합해야지 모르봐. 아 거지 람사 네 심게 변지 디부르지 상게 공부 람사 마토비 비네야. 저는 민주사 디 규전 된 다디상 딘상게 딘상게 뒤주디 아니 미망고 쉬우지베 줌제리야 아 가져다 저와시 줌제 람상람상 요하지기 다 간다 가져야지 저와도 쉬우지 알아 당아주지 삼방강 통화서 말다지 시라라지 에 소금 제만도 같이 가져 응국 제만도 봐 and lamsa ji kaso ta ji dibun chumi mina ga che ji yong di yare da yin ne chumje sa de da gam de nga ju xie de ya ke ji pen yue sa de this ge wa yi ge sam zhe ge.
It is important for us to remember the benefits of bodhicitta. But in recalling the benefits of bodhicitta, this does not merely mean that we only think about the results or the ends, the results of bodhicitta. We don't think about what we will get ultimately at the end, only about that. Instead, we need to remind ourselves that the dharma that we are practicing is by nature virtue. And because it is by nature virtue, then we should have delight and enthusiasm about that virtuous nature. And so if we only think about results and then we work hard to achieve the results, until we achieve that actual end result, then we will not really feel much delight or much joy in it. It's when you achieve the result, you think, oh, I got the result, and then I achieved the result, and then you feel excited about that. But here, it's different. Here, in order to increase our enthusiasm, then we need to remember that bodhicitta is by nature virtue. And the practicing bodhicitta is itself by nature virtue. By thinking about this, then we can develop enthusiasm within ourselves. even before we achieve the result of bodhicitta, even before we achieve Buddhahood. These days, many people really have very high expectations that they're going to get immediate results. They have high hopes and high expectations for immediate results. And what this is because people have too short an attention span, too short a focus, and they want to have, and they don't have enough patience for the long-term results. And so when they are able to achieve some result immediately, then they feel happy. So I think for this reason, it is important for us to be able to make a distinction between the results and the benefits.
Sumba Tsuni Savar Cha Lava Sheja, Chanju Gisim, Top Gave Tabli Siena, Chanju Lamdrene, Sonam Yishira, Sonion Sobigu, Shebala Soba Suni, Sonam Gison, Chuju, doing of Shila Soba, Tabi Chane, Yinla. Jigison, Teda, Komsum, Korsum Yonda, Shebala Soba, Shirgi Satira, Deda, Yindi. Teda Tsuni Savarang, Gula, Chanju Gisim, Top Gava, Yino. Then a Sony with the Tadu Saji, Tana. All Tungshin Deva, Tsuni Tsando Dubi, Tunsuyin Gunsuya, Lere Sabra, Chao, Sogi Damligan, Tirin Dag Sonam the Ishitswane Kancha, Simjin Pemba Kancha, Chenju Simbe Tadusan, She Sun So.
To explain the third point, training and gathering the two accumulations, which constitutes the means for strengthening bodhicitta, the lamp for the path to awakening, to enlightenment, says, for instance, that the accumulations consist of virtue and pristine awareness, are the cause for perfect enlightenment. Of these, the accumulation of merit consists in a skillful means aspect, comprising the 10 activities pertaining to Dharma practice and the 4 means of gathering beings, and so forth. The accumulation of pristine awareness consists of the pristine wisdom aspect, such as the awareness of the total purity of the 3 spheres. Thus, it is through gathering the 2 accumulations that the force of bodhicitta arises within your mental continua. Therefore, always gather the 2 accumulations. Since even a simple recitation of a brief mantra once during each watch of the day can lead to completion of the 2 accumulations, even if it is only for a brief moment, you should gather the accumulations. A discussion of accumulation says of this, "What will I do today to gather the accumulations of merit and wisdom? What will I do today to help sentient beings?" So a bodhisattva must constantly contemplate.
Da Delayang Tsuni Sabar Chawar and Beba Chegures, on Chanju somebody, Tsuni Sabar Chawar and Beba Chegures. Da Tsuni said the Karis, Sonam da Ishi Sonabanila, Google. There are some Yimi Don Narolea, and a Chanju Semba Sadi, and that to that order should be Chanju Semba Sadi, and the song was the Ishi Solia, Chosobalian, Beba Chegures. They check with Junzen Kares, Lavimina, and a Sonam good saw the Chanju Sembe, Tabla Kebe, produce Yonsu over cigarettes. Ishi saw ye Shiraki Chai get a under Kashway. 시럽기 버리도 첨부 용수 좁아 치그레스 드네 인두산에 전주선백이 람탐지 초름 부진 남에 따지 춘이 남번이게 다 전주선백이 람단지 냠내 탐지 촌이 나라 두르고레스.
The bodhisattva must train in gathering the 2 accumulations. These 2 accumulations are the accumulation of merit and the accumulation of wisdom. It says in the Sutra of the Inconceivable Secret, to summarize what it says that a bodhisattva must strive at the accumulations of merit and of wisdom. The reason it says that is that the accumulation of merit includes all of the paramitas that are skillful means. The accumulation of wisdom completes the perfection of prajna paramita. And so in this way, these two accumulations include all of the practices and all of the tasks of a bodhicitta. Excuse me. These two accumulations include all of the practices and the entire path of the bodhisattva.
타방 탐지개버 주베기 튠비겐 초바질 초스라고 하래. 다 튠비겐 될량 안다지 가르에 탑 탑기 차도버지 시럽기 차도버지 나머니 온디 아레스 베나 다 저주선배기 제바냠랜데 다 퍼시 주나는 뭐디베시 매브레 다 퍼시 주디 손님을 봐 고셔겨비미나 다들 상황섬기 미겨본 도난 수보들 채나 다 고셔겹다는데 민자민자 망고야네요 그래 이내 상황섬기 미겨본 도는 수보들 채비입니다 퍼시 신 아버지 참물로 탑기 차를 봐두 애는 시럽 차를 봐 두체 간다 드지기 간다라 프로듀싱 부부디 애는 소니가 난 두단지도 순이면 네 단단한 저 튠비겐 타바다 탐지게 부부를 제백이 튠비겐 초바지래야 하는 초서라고 유서라 튠비겐 망부 주버지라 다주 초사의 망부지 고마르베 그 튠비겐 망부 주버지리 이제 고고만로
When we say the accumulations, well, what this means is we're accumulating the favorable conditions or the favorable elements for achieving the favorable elements. These are the favorable elements or favorable conditions for achieving liberation and omniscience. This is what we mean by saying the accumulations. And so all of these favorable conditions can be included within or are included within the two aspects of means and prajna. For example, all of the practices of a bodhisattva are included within the 6 paramitas. And these 6 paramitas are all included are all included in the two accumulations. Now, there are many different ways that the 6 paramitas are distributed among the two, are explained to be distributed among the two different accumulations. But to explain it the way it is described in the Sutra of the Inconceivable Sutra, excuse me, the Sutra of the Inconceivable Secret, it is said that the first 5 paramitas all are included within means. And then prajna paramita is included within the aspect of wisdom. And so in this way, all 6 of the paramitas are included within the two accumulations. So basically, when we say that we're accumulating all of the favorable conditions, these are the favorable conditions for achieving liberation and omniscience. We need to gather all of these favorable conditions. And so that is what is meant by gathering the accumulations. And accumulations means many. So here we are gathering the many accumulations. We are gathering the accumulation, the many conditions, favorable conditions that are necessary for achieving liberation and omniscience.
대양 아주 우마주베 나로네. 구즈브디니 쇼안가 게게베 아베 게버티니 기웨가 바 뉴네다데 게올룽기 슈도 야외연데 야조가 버르니도 로사마레. 다가는데 지송래. 다디 된다디 에너지 가주에 낭바 다디조 고랑 가주에지 다른 물 주도와 다른 물이야 지 가수 게체 다른 물 주요래 저분이 나로래야 가다지 사다른 물전이 잘봐 낭바 다디줄래 쇼바 정부요래 다른 물 주요자 쇼바 정부요래 제가 급들이야 소나무 초다 이시기 초디 안베 쇼바니는 신 그래 쇼바 예지마도 매비입니다 난걸 부르도요 마나스 이지미지가 아지 쇼바니요 거봐 쇼바디야베 쇼바 양식 야샤서 섬으로 다 간다지 초니부대베 야샤 근데지 싸게 떡이 다지 개연지 야수 파리 개토래서 베라 지금 아버지 계속 개와는 신기 엔지 초나버니기 안에 상계 연된 야수 데 다르심을 저도래서 드레이머래 드레인 두산에 시럽 지구에 왜 평가 말해 탑지 차대다 담죠 마상의 의미나 는 시럽 지구에 왜 평가 말해 배나 니랑한테 줄래 가다 돈이 도와 예비미래 다 돈이 도와 삼 다음에 도와 예비송래 다 예비네야 양지 탑지 차이 냠랜다 마상의 의미 두산에 안다지 천주그 셈지주 규래 개 마제비치체 근데 또 안에 안다지 가져래 다양고 강에를 직차되어 드림이 주사 디균전되네 아니 총이 손도 주어지고 그래서
As it is said in the Entering the Middle Way by Chandrakirti, it says that just as the king of geese flies on two wings, so we need the two wings of merit and wisdom to cross the ocean of the Buddha's qualities. So the meaning of this stanza is that when you have geese are birds that migrate incredibly long distances. They cross oceans as they migrate each year. And if a goose only has one wing, then that goose is unable to fly. Both of the wings are necessary. They need to have two wide and broad wings in order to cross the oceans. Likewise, if we have the two wings of the two accumulations, two vast accumulations, then we'll be able to cross the oceans. So just as the geese with their two wings are able to fly across vast bodies of water, likewise with the wings of the two accumulations, we will be able to cross the ocean of the Buddha's qualities. So only having prajna is not enough. If we do not have merit, then only prajna on its own will not benefit us. It is like, for example, the Shravakas and the Pratyeka Buddhas. They've realized emptiness. They've realized selflessness, that is. But because they do not have the aspect of means, they are unable to develop bodhicitta, and this gives them difficulties. So it is important for us to have the two accumulations in union.
다들 너나 천주교 쌤기 톱게 발이야. 손이 사바차와라 라고레스. 가래사나 손이 마사베이나 천주교 쌤네 광내 공배도 제 민조하다. 보험인데 막 봉된서만 다지 게임이 전 냠바 유로레스. 드린주산에 다다디 타갱 나로래야. 다다디 펜 랍지 수버디 천주기 쌤기 톱게베 데 랍샤라 샤낭이 말이야. 톱게베 타밤 톱게베다 랍샤라 샤낭이 말이야.
And so for this reason, in order to develop the strength of our bodhicitta, we need the bodhisattva needs to train in the two accumulations. Otherwise, their bodhicitta will not develop. It will not arise. It will not occur. It'll decrease. For this reason, in the jewel ornament of liberation, this third precept is given as the precept for developing the strength of our bodhicitta.
답변을 샤위면 안수기 신배 소남체베 걸려야 다 지금 신배기 신거답에 걸려야 아는 지 레게 쪼데 가르쳐야 어려서나 아는 지 추다 류 디졸이야 매버차데 계속 차대 어려서 제자다 지 류사데 다디상 류리베 자치고 싶지거 봐 아는 지 류디디에 다디사 지저블링 토리아 지야 기지 소지 다 류디 제루스 말베 다지 artificial 된데 또네 제루인다 제루 뜻담나 가르주야지 류 코란디 야 규제 간데지고 예바 전중 류서 말베 다든데 총나 전중 류의 제루기 티아바다 다디 토리아 시비지기 가르주야다지 아주 도나시비 체네 기지 용디 요래 다나 신기지 추티야 신갈이야 추티야 되게들은 아주 깔래 망부지게 매주 망부체디 요래 다나 신기 다 당부 전주의 셈이게 가르쳐다 전주의 셈에 남서 렘베급을 임비네야 자외 조와 레게 조디 총이 사버 잡아라 매고레스 디 총이디 에너지 신비의 신가다베급이야 추다 류야 아주 조실 제바도 직거래스 드린 뉴스안에 다나신 아주 매바치고 그래서라
When we gather the accumulations of merit, to give an example of it, it's like when we plant crops. When you plant a field, the main area that you have to work on is, there are two main things you have to do. You have to provide water and you have to provide fertilizer. These two are very important and they take a lot of work. This is the greatest amount of work you do when you farm a field. So when you talk about this, when you talk about water and fertilizer, these days, there's a lot of talk about the different types of fertilizer. You can have chemical fertilizers, or you can have organic fertilizers, natural fertilizers, manure, and so forth. And people take a lot of interest in this question. It's a very difficult question, whether to use organic or chemical fertilizers. There's a lot of work that needs to go into it. Likewise, when we irrigate a field, when we draw water onto a field, then you have to do a lot of work and put a lot of effort into irrigating a field. So it is similar when we are first practicing bodhicitta. For a bodhisattva, the main work, or the main task of a bodhisattva is to gather these two accumulations, and these two accumulations are like irrigating and fertilizing a field. We need to put a lot of effort into them. Next is the fourth precept of bodhicitta, which is training repeatedly in bodhicitta.
다들 공도 총이 사바 차발라바 사디 에너지 총이 서로 가져야지 빼나 아주 남게 멘제 차르지마도 마비비네야 될래야지 퍼진초 상물 체당 치료로 예비임래 다가는 신기지 차지마도 마비비임이네야 될래야지 퍼진초기 냠네 상와 치료로 예비임래 다 될라될 가져야 대단 될라서와 간다 지 초니디 서로 셰비임이나 장기 되는지 아 통지마도 마비비임이네 될라 총이 창도 두번인소
Now, in gathering the two accumulations, even if we only offer a single mandala offering, then if we know how to offer it, we can if we know how to offer it properly, all six paramitas are complete within it. Likewise, there is a way that when we practice, that when we make a single prostration, there is a way to do it so that it includes the practice of all six paramitas. And so if we know how to gather the two accumulations, it is as said here, even a single recitation of a brief mantra once during each watch of the day can lead to the completion of the two accumulations. So we are able to include all the paramitas in our practice. And so for that reason, it is important for us to know how we should accumulate the two accumulations.
전주 선바데데 지 춘이 야첨사 라버치스타기 탑을 배버체과 금전대야 아니 전주 선바데기 현대 라버치 주고야래 현대 라버치 주버 체발래야 아니 지탑 야셔와 아니 지 시로표도 총아 근데 지 고유에 인도산에 다 대균전에 되네 전주 선바 춘이래야 배버체과 춘이 대야 야칸지 럽칸지 근데 지래 배버체과 금전 근데 지 인기를 삼던
And so the reason why we need to train in the two vast accumulations, why a bodhisattva must train in gathering the two accumulations as vastly as possible, is that the bodhisattva needs to bring vast benefit to sentient beings. And so by having vast means and the perfection of sharab, then they're able to perfect the two accumulations, and because of that, they're able to bring vast and great benefit to all sentient beings. So this, I think, is the reason why we need to gather in the two vast accumulations.
시바양다 전주기 심장을 라바시자 전주기 심대 탑리 시나 전주 남전래게 전주 매베심다 게네네 배방만 부분도 배자 시에 송소 대양 장추기 심정하다 뭐 전주의 예심정하 전주 제배심정하다 손도 시해버자 대숨을 장배 전주기 심대 이노 대라 당번에 심전놈을 잠바든 다도 삼밤 타나 튜즈이나 레레 삼밤 전주의 예심정하는 심정이도 상계 탑을 되별로 니엘에 세나서도 삼밤 심기 저가 개버쳐 타나 튜즈이 있는 곳소 좋은 상계적으로 속에서는 전주바도 다는 역수치 다 지속이 선함기 지속이 만들다가 돌아펴서 상계로 제제바 전주 제배 심정하는 일이 시행라 팬다베 심정하다 랑기 유다베 심정하 대라 당분의 랑기 류다 롱제의 규승기에 와서 시행기 팬티치 동원시 다베 심게바 다기 유다베 심정하네 다도 수림랑 오랑 차시 디바다 명모바는 잠바오.
To explain the fourth point, training repeatedly in bodhicitta, which constitutes the means to increase bodhicitta, the lamp for the path to enlightenment says, having given rise to bodhicitta as an aspiration, strive to increase it in every way. This striving should be understood as applying to three areas of activity. First, training in the attitude that gives rise to bodhicitta. Second, training in bodhicitta itself. And third, training in the attitude related to bodhisattva conduct. The attitude that gives rise to bodhicitta is to always be disposed to loving kindness and compassion toward sentient beings, or to at least engender such a thought at least once every watch of the day. Training in bodhicitta itself is to nurture an intention longing to attain enlightenment so as to be able to benefit beings. This should be the subject of contemplation during the 3 periods of the day and 3 periods of the night. Alternately, the longer bodhisattva ritual can be performed, or else at a minimum the following prayer by the great Atisha can be recited once every watch of the day. To the Buddhas, the Dharma, and the Supreme Community, I go for refuge until I attain enlightenment. Through my engagement in generosity and so forth, may I achieve Buddhahood for the benefit of all sentient beings. Training in the attitude related to bodhisattva conduct is twofold, developing the willingness to work for the benefit of others and developing the intention to purify the mind. The first of these means dedicating body, possessions, and whatever virtues have been established in the 3 times to the service of others and to their happiness. It implies cultivating a willingness to give. Developing the intention to purify the mind involves a constant examination of personal conduct as well as the elimination of afflictions and harmful actions.
다 양내안도 전주기 쌤 장고래 송다들어도 전주기 쌤데 공패도 영아 탑라 아니 양이야도 전주기 쌤 장고래
So this is saying that we need to train in bodhicitta repeatedly. As a method to increase our bodhicitta, we need to train in it over and over again.
디 초역이 남전당 샘게베 차가 니가네 다 양한 상심 정화대 송나임bre.
Atisha said both in his lamp for the path to enlightenment and in his ritual in his ceremony for developing bodhicitta that one must train in it repeatedly.
다 들려야 타겐 나를 전주기 규 있음 장화다. 전주의 있음 장화, 전주 제배 있음 장화 남아 숨송체. 전주기 규 있음 장화 소두산에 니지 심불이야. 조디 대자와 니지의 수만은 시기 니지 심불이야. 다조 참바의 니지를 놓고 말이야. 디나는 장 가져다지 가져. 어레 장외디다 가다 니지 심불체. 양 디기 가져에 텐저비 니지 심불 개바 제발라야. 아니 용게 잡아라서 그 깨고 여비 인도산에 텐저게 딱 가서 전주기 셈게하고 귤라 로장와 쳐고레스. 다더니 니버디 전주의 있음 장와사데 아니 셈게 코랑 내 앞에 가져에 지금 종다로 치지 셈기 귤이 개바 쳐고레스. 다 전주 집에 셈 장와사데 단 당범면 셈 귤이 개바 쳐 디젤에 죽음을야 로컴버 쳐네. 안들이 장고레스.
In the jewel ornament of liberation, it is said that we need to train in the causes of bodhicitta, in the actual bodhicitta, and in the conduct of bodhicitta. Training in the causes of bodhicitta means primarily training in great compassion. The root of it is training our minds in loving kindness and compassion. The actual foundation, or the actual basis of bodhicitta is great compassion. And so we need to train our minds in order to develop this great compassion. And we train in this in order to develop bodhicitta. Training in the actual bodhicitta means training in bodhicitta itself. It means that we need to try to develop actual bodhicitta. And training in the conduct of bodhicitta means that we first develop the aspirational bodhicitta, and then we need to train our minds in the engaged bodhicitta.
다들어요. 배샤연 주사는 부지마 송 다들 부지마 사를 가르스나 부직만도 매버치 대래 신주 제벌 체딩이 맞죠 알아서. 이나 부지부디 다시기베 티송레스. 티 심베 인두산에 디 아마티기 베 로찬 인도 쩨람 칸데지 거리나 드로에 거리네 아래 녜웨 거리네 아래 양지 칸다르 쩨람 칸데지 셰베 거리네 땅에 부디 달라네 칸데스 타와 최고연아 삼바르지기 딘데기베 베 누시에다 맞아요. 진짜 셈제 체제. 데르스. 다가난 신기 셈게베 전주 삼바디기 셈제 탐지기 컴순기 코에 셈제 탐지기 동에 삼네. 죄람 탐지에도 잡아든 이제 전주기 셈다 맞아요. 돈도나 컴순기 셈제 탐지기 되는도 지금 셈제 체제하지. 대다 맞아요. 고래소 다디 셈장외기 장심장외 베트테
The example given for this is it's like a mother with an only child. This mother loves her only child very dearly, and yet if her only child were taken away by an enemy, then whatever that mother would do, she would only think about her child, whether she was sitting, sleeping, or walking, or whatever activity she was engaged in. She'd only have the thought, what can I do to free my child from the hands of the enemy? And she would be constantly worrying about her child. Likewise, when a bodhisattva arouses bodhicitta, then they constantly need to think about the suffering of all sentient beings in the three realms of samsara. They need to continually think about all sentient beings with loving kindness, compassion, and bodhicitta. And so the bodhisattva should always be worrying. They should never be parted from the thought of, or never be parted from a worry for this about the fate of the sentient beings in the three realms of samsara. And so this is how one needs to train in bodhicitta.
다도나 전juk semde pewe tableya ane semge choga ji gidula ma deba da geba chena geba che dybe cheben anzu de sange chezo ma tindege gwane da choga gidula ma deba nona ji simgyu kyoto ba ji chagore sta zo de ji simgyu debaru chagwa de kechimore so kandar tinde chechene tana ninje 뒤주도 야네야도 전주기 쌤 정고래서 단디 샌들리아 전주기 쌤 민년 배치be 라저 시베이베
And as a method to increase our bodhicitta, we need to recite a ceremony or ritual, follow a ritual or a ceremony to develop bodhicitta. Whether it be long or short, it doesn't matter whether it's long or whether it's short. We can recite a long ritual, or we can recite the short ritual, the normal verse that we recite. It doesn't matter whether the verse is long or short. What is important is that it inspires us. It inspires our mind. So as long as we recite it so it can inspire ourselves, then that is what is important. And at the very least, we need to recite this and do this 6 times every day. We need to do, and in this way, train ourselves in it over and over again. And so this is the fourth point about the fourth precept for not letting our bodhicitta wane in this life.
다들 다는 신기 주버심기 로 주심 전주 주변에 있으면 장화 티커도 라야 그래서 타게 나로래 현라 팬다베 있으면 장화 시다 랑게 유다베 있으면 장화지 니야레스 현라 팬다베 있으면 정루데 가르레스나 랑게 류당 롱주 뒤숨기 야와 탐지 현기 팬디 통도 오신 배 르동 차 되게베 가서 로장고 레소
Likewise, when we train in engaged bodhicitta, what it says here in the jewel ornament of liberation is that we need to cultivate 2 aspects. The first is the wish to benefit others, and the second is the wish to to purify our own beings. For the wish to benefit others, what we need to do is we need to dedicate everything we have, our bodies, our possessions, and everything. We need to dedicate this all to the benefit of others, and we need to be willing to give this all up.
다들이야 다다디 야르공 버치비 중교벌을 미치기 다디 말람디 아주 중교벌을 미치기 가르에 송근나로라 아주디 말람기 그주 말람기 다 라마체베기 죽고와디 겁리야디 샤요래.
There is an aspiration for this by the great Drikung Kyopa. And this aspiration is found at the end of the offerings to the gurus in the Kaju Manlam prayer book.
다디나로야 다기 류기 심제 탐제라 팬토버 주지스 다가 나가 심제 탐제라 팬토버 주지 다가 이기 심지 탐지를 편 도버 교시제 마음제야래.
And the aspiration is, may my body be beneficial to sentient beings. May my speech be beneficial to sentient beings. May my mind be beneficial to sentient beings.
다데 오늘 가르쳐야 된다게 가르쳐야 로장와 채과데 개심시다 있어요.
So purifying our mind is extremely important.
랑기 베나 베 가르쳐야 가시에 예자리야 가르쳐야 요년데 미카시데 다 미에자 다 미잠도 망고 용고하래 제상 가시에기 가르쳐다지 말이야 어다지 심지에 망고질이야 펜도신이 주도스 엔 미교부 다 아니지 다 간다 동해지 심지에 망고 쉬우스도스 데들야지 펜도 진이 주도스 말다지 펜도 제하기베 되바치무시단도스 이내야 다다 소솔이야 아니지 펜도 제하기 뉴버도 게민도스 드레이주사다 펜도 야고 제베제발라 야나 규구도스 야나 와자 구도스 드레이주사다 결랑 알지 규첨버지 영하기 아니 점주 차로치스 안 데메나지 와자 첨버지 영하기 점주 차로치스인데 원디도
There are many different types of people who come to see me. And among those who come to see me, there are some who say that they really want to help a great number of sentient beings. There are so many poor and so many deprived, suffering sentient beings, and they really want to do something to benefit them. They have this great desire to benefit sentient beings, but they say that they don't have the capacity, the ability to help sentient beings. If we're really going to help sentient beings, they say, either you have to have wealth or you have to have power. And so they ask me, please give me great wealth so that I can help sentient beings, or please give me great power so that I can help sentient beings.
다 규첨부사 다 완전첨부사 그 특시주에는 얘는 당분 나랑 완전첨부지의 규첨부지 소도 다사래 이내 다디 대라우스김도 하지 미상마지 규첨부차다 완전첨부차사디 버지 용아메래 다들이 주산에 다 조조디 규첨부 예배 잠시기 다 심지를 팬토뱅 예바민도 규첨부 인데발라 아니지 셴페 지 세나제 망부시다요래 와지 셴부 예바 잠야 란데 죽된게 망부시다요래 드레인 주산에 땅에라 오늘 저녁에 셴라 팬토버지 용마요 사도 조디 랑게 룽아 이순부디 엔지 심쟁이 되는 교어지다 심쟁이 되도 지금 러동을 제한 세난다도 간다 티체도 오와 제하를 비슷한데 과디 계속 쉬우래샤 근데 충분히 이미나 규유에나야 심쟁이 되는 교어지 규메나야 심쟁이 되는 교어지 가지지 용사를 삼아를 비슷한 정도 드린두산 조디 랑게 룽아 이순디 로게외 초라 골도 버선한다도 로게외 초라 배지 배주시도 비직당 델이야 네 심해 신전도 유어지 용아지기 배주셔와디 개춤시라를 샤섬 정도
But it's not so easy to get wealthy or become powerful. If I was going to make anyone wealthy or powerful, I should probably make myself wealthy or powerful first, but that's not working so well. In any case, not everyone can become wealthy and powerful, and it's not even necessarily certain that if you're wealthy and powerful that you will be able to benefit other beings. The main thing is that merely being wealthy does not mean that you're going to benefit sentient beings with your wealth. Now, there are many wealthy people who are still quite stingy. Likewise, there are many powerful people who use their power for their own selfish aims. The first thing that we need to do if we want to be able to bring benefit to other sentient beings, the first thing we need to be able to do is we must be able to direct our body, speech, and mind toward the benefit of sentient beings. We need to actually be able to dedicate our body, speech, and mind to benefiting sentient beings. And then whether, and if we do so, then if we are wealthy, we will be able to benefit sentient beings, and if we are not wealthy, we will still be able to benefit sentient beings. The primary thing is that we need to turn our body, speech, and mind towards the virtue. We need to be able to use our body, speech, and mind to accomplish virtue. And we need to be able to turn them towards the benefit of others.
다드네 제다 너나지 룽아이 숨데 안에 락시지 인삼체 봐 현대기 체도 배주치하게 다 락셔 세난단도 지 조도디 현대기 체도 배주치하게 규제를 가서 배주치하게 규조로디 다 락셔 조디 룽아이 숨데 인삼체 룽아이 숨데 안주 소소기 다지 가서에 지 셴팽기 요도 로아도치 셴팽기 배 각하나인데 셴팽기 삼바디 각하나인데 룽아 이숨기 지 쿠르투야노지 되지기 간다 가서에다 지 수수기 룽아 이숨들이야다 디스 칼로르 규르지 컨트롤로 체제 근데 지하데 다 계속이 버려 근데 충분히미나 아니 지 신의 지 가서에 퍼진 줄어서 왜냐면 체비미냐 안 룽아 이숨 디칼이야 닝거로 와 에세마도 룽아 이숨 들이야 수수기 다르다고 접시 디페줘야 버지 마다마 아니 지 수수 셈니 지 텐데 비미냐 안 다랑기지 심규디 정보슈체 디칼 많이 엠체 엔디제서 류당아 주제를 두체 다 라케메 인두산 디규젠데네 룽아 유이숨부터 현존의 교지기 딱하나 가수에다 종다를 세는다도 롭종으로 시작하고랬어 다디 그래 신라 팬다비 심정하서 티브
Our body, speech, and mind are like tools. They're tools that we need to use to benefit sentient beings. These are the main tools that we need to use or that we need to employ for benefiting sentient beings, our body, speech, and mind. And so we need to be able to direct our body, speech, and mind towards the benefit of others. And so we need to be able to control them with an altruistic mind that wants to help others. If we are able to command them with that mind with an altruistic mind, then we'll be able to direct our body, speech, and mind, and we'll be able to control how they go. Only then will we be able to practice the 6 paramitas, and only then will our body, speech, and mind follow the directions that they are given. Otherwise, if we don't take control or take ownership or take ownership of our mind, then whatever we think of in our mind, then our minds are wild and they're out of control, and so then we'd have absolutely no chance of taking any control over our body and speech. So the important thing is that we need to be able to direct our body, speech, and mind to the benefit of others, and so we need to train them so that they will actually follow the directions. And so in this way, this is training our minds in being able to actually benefit others.
다들 랑게 규다에 심정사디. 다들 가라사나. 고란 단낭라야 베지 가르 셴변 주바다 나데비네야. 바파 떠두사나 그지 셴변 십지 주데도 삼네. 아니 그 코바드 르류야나. 고 셴변 단나 차도레스. 다 코바드 르세두산다 굴론데 상부매비미나. 굴론 요모바드 제리위미나. 아니 파다스엘리지 셴변 제베 속다르 지게비민 따디 셴변 제바다 나 파다스 셴변 지도 삼네. 전다도도디 지 수년점레 마다베 전도 셴변 차요. 셴변 수년점마다 셴변 차요. 대비 유산 디균전 때네 안 랑기지 규타바 랑기 규타바사디 다가다 지 꿀로 남바 타바지 예다메 꿀로리 야네 야노 안주지 가주에 슈다체 에네 다시 샤와디 개침시다레스
The second is purifying our own beings. We might seemingly be benefiting others. When it looks on the outside, it might seem like we are doing something to benefit others, but inside it might be that it's like our hearts are degenerate. And so that if we do this, although it may seem as if we are helping others, inside we are not. Saying that our hearts are degenerate or that our hearts have gone rotten, this means that we don't have a good motivation. That our motivation is mixed with the afflictions. And so though it may look on the outside we may have the image of benefiting other sentient beings, but on the inside, if we look at our motivation, maybe it might not be. The main point here is that merely having the external image of helping other beings may not actually be benefiting other beings. It may only be like an image or a reflection of helping other beings. So in order to purify our beings, the main thing is whether or not our motivation is pure. So we always need to check and correct our motivation to make sure that it's good. It is important for us to always be examining our motivations.
제가 야르음을 침비기 당기게 공도 되대야 몰람디 다기 다가라 류기 심전 함자를 팬 토버 교지스 나 심전 함자를 팬 토버 교지 이기 심전 함자를 팬 토버 교지스 순사베 쇼 다랑이야 녀모만 되샤가 삼바 명화 교지 샤당가 삼바 명화 교지 나게다 차도다 녀바다 꾸디 다 녀바다 차바 쳔디 삼바 명화 다 잠바다 니 전주가 쓰면 유래바 지금 영화쇼 시시 늦지 송하래 제자다 되게 간다 정규 타 마다사디 개심부지 뭐지 다랑이야 주테마타도 다 지용디 하래
So in the aspiration of the great Drikun Rinpoche that I mentioned before, may my body benefit all sentient beings, may my speech benefit all sentient beings, may my mind sentient all beings. Immediately following that, there is a passage that reads, may I never have the affliction of desire. May I never have the affliction of hatred. May I never have pride or envy. May I never have attachment to gain or to attachment or gain. May I never have attachment to gain or respect. May I never have any thought of this life. May I always have bodhicitta in my mind. And so this aspiration is an aspiration for a purity of our own beings. And this is the aspiration that follows immediately upon the previous one.
가다데 다 닌주산에 다 근데도 지금도 봐. 굴론디 가수에다지 다들 그래다. 오야. 제 제가 급들에 타게 나로라 수집는 원장 제오래 소로 동원랑 원장 제야디 다다디 겐덴베기 튠죽 라면에 좀 나로래야 동원 원장 제야지 치 요아래 야고 싶시도 이바지 개인 돈바숨게기 동원랑 원장 제야 치 요아래 다드네 다 엄마딩에 두숨케베기 라면에 줄씩 잡으래 구게 두제인 거리야 두숨케베기 구게 제된 세베깔라 코야기 라면에 줄도 잡으래 디 겁리야 디나로리야 도마숨 그 동안 오라 샤징이 지유 재산 돈도나 동안은 오장세스 두산은 다 동안 가르가르 임디 파지 가르주 셈리야 녜고 다 상자 제로로 드리주산 건 되마디 롤 지고 심샤나 데마지 되체 엔 동안 가르가르 임디 가르가르 인사바지 롤 샤바치 레리신도 롤 샤바치체 딘데가 돈에 디고다 용몽 바라 점야지 점고래서 데바
And so here in the jewel ornament of liberation, it says that we need to recognize and enumerate all of the downfalls. Actually, in the Gelugpa tradition, there is the sixth session Guru Yoga, which has a wonderful section, a wonderful passage on recognizing and enumerating the downfalls. It gives the downfalls of it enumerates it gives a recognition it identifies and enumerates the downfalls of the three different types of vows. And these three types of vows are the vows of Pratimoksha, the Bodhisattva, and the Tantra vows. Also, when I wrote the Dusum Kempa Guru Yoga, I wrote this for the Karmapa 900 celebration. I wrote the Guru Yoga for Dusum Kempa. And within it, there is also an identification and enumeration of the downfalls of the three different types of vows. And so it's important for us to actually recognize what the downfalls are and then be able to enumerate what all the different downfalls are. We need to recognize for ourselves what downfalls we have committed. So for that reason, it is good for us to memorize such texts and then to recite them and keep in mind. And this will help us to refrain from various misdeeds.
Oh, yeah. Hadi jelea. Labjang abadi nabe chushi bang, gabe chushi temba la soba, lava dusresha, that is sunny shin jumero.
This is followed by the fifth precept, which is giving up the four black dharmas and practicing the four white dharmas, and I shall speak about this tomorrow.
Dadari Liuchuba for the Savache, Dari Gabdeliaji, Liuchuba for the Savache, the Rachi, and but the sunny Dinimatama Ibra.
So my hope is to finish the 10th chapter this year, and tomorrow is actually the last day of our teachings.
다 가장 녜디 아주 세부적인 일들이야. 근데 때문에 저 되면 기고를 안 드신도 쉬래.
Yesterday I gave a brief explanation of the ritual for the nuns' dharma to flourish, which we did on the 15th.
때네 뒤님은 다라네 아주 기주미에게 돈바 지야지 들지 딱하다 제거로도 가셔다 기주미 나 돈바 가셔 진샤베기 기주마 되게들이야 지 필수 교수슈야기 근데 제거로도 뒤로도 쉐브레
On that day, we also had a short ceremony to celebrate the nuns who had taken the Shramaneri ordination.
다 미시나 오도 마스키도 시험하다 양디 야고시다면도 다 들려야 또 마시 가장비게 최대한 잘해야 안다지 성인성을 차체 네 계제디 세우시라 야고시 수사받는 시지게 시도마서 다 들린들려야 강조려야 노두를 시슈인
The other day, down at the Mahabodhi temple, it got a little bit hectic, and I was not able to explain everything as clearly as I would have liked to. And so today I will give you a brief explanation again.
当然说，回去哪点哪落了？가상我们广东区本人心意，다 최근 최선 대전 갑리야, 나 러도 좀 대토마 충분해서야지 아주 루지도 시기어 봐. 세미디 러도 충분해야지. 세미디라고 가시 미디 말에 미초르라고 다간다. 미초이나 뒤이나 개발면도 다간다. 대주산에 러도 충분하게 된다고 토마 충분하대 가지 저의 최선 가지고 최선 디우즈 갑 충분해서 알아. 다이네디 다다 되기에 하모. 딩엘이야 별 러중 매베도 있어마다 러중 예베체 지 가나네 러중인데 그게 사미엘라 대대인데 망부유스레 가안에 주 총대바로 총인데 망부유스레 이나 품이랑 아니 베르도 총네 러중 대수거든데 다시 매면로 다대 심주치 아래 간다 가리네 미네 다 러중 대 토마르 별 추비 qabla rajung phoma nige ge de chuye ba ji lu yu nan se de yo rajung phosam no ma se be rajung moye ge de ne chuye ba ji se de yo
When we look at Tibetan Buddhism, as I mentioned earlier, during the time of King Chisun Detsen, when they established the first monastic sanghas, this is as described in the histories. There were the 7 men for testing. Some people say it was 7 men, some say it was 6 men, but whether it was 6 or 7, in any case, it was during the time of the Dharma King Chisun Detsen that the first monastic communities were established in Tibet. Actually, when we look at the history of Tibet, we can probably say that there were monastics in Tibet before that time. There were Chinese monastics who were at Samye, and there were also many monastics who had come from India. But before that point, there probably had not been any Tibetans who had been ordained. And so when the first Tibetan monastic sangha community was established, it is actually clear from the histories that it was both men and women who were ordained. It was not only men, but also women were ordained.
다들 마치 rajung mag dede rajung meg dede and the machi nyam karju targu nu gane chungye mende ruju to sevsta yo mana temba ngadar ka targu gane chungye mende sevsta yo mana da temba chidar kabliya kazan kondu shubana singi pande sage begi da ruju gi ija ningbare 지가베 이사사르부다 다나 신기 사게 동르사르 디주 나로래야 인지 rajungma yedaba chigdan rajungma yeba samdo ma sebe gelong megi gelong ma yedaba chig tindeji sede yore.
After that, it is not so clear how conditions were for the community of nuns. It's not clear how they flourished or how they decreased. It's not clear in the histories. Especially during the time of the ancient transmission, it is not clear. Later, during the time of the later transmission, it is, as I mentioned, the
later transmission. It's transmission?
flourishing, yeah.
Okay,
During the later period of the flourishing of the Dharma, it's as I described the other day, there are histories of the Sakya lineage that include the history called the documents of the kings, and also the Sakya familial lineage.
Documents of the no problem.
And in these, it says that there were women who went forth and were ordained. Not only that, it says that among them there were bhikshunis.
David needs to review this condition that the Mango said to try to resist. Tanda Dodo de Tata Galome can do the answer the Puguna de la Galome can do the all mare. Can do the all mare, Galome Dungu all mare.
But we shouldn't waste too much time speaking about the history of the past. Basically, within Tibetan Buddhism, there is no community of bhikshunis. There is no transmission of the bhikshuni vows.
다 강해로 시슈로 가르쳤으나 지당기다 뉘에기 다 지금 뉘와나 원쇼 다셔서 기지 얼마 다다 다셔고한도 제비미나 아니지 분명히 돈바 배나 저중모 개념마사로다 저중마사로다 기주마사로다 결론마사 성으로 결론매 진고 얼마 결론매 기주 진고 얼마 and Anna Singi Galon Madrubicalina, Galome Gindu Goyard. Today you sanata, Galome Gindu de Medusane, Duena or Suman Sinjigi, the Pumelia, Beji, Maki, Eta, Geneme Tombanes on the Yagiba, Casura, Galome Tombabado, Giara, Gange Ted, Sendeji, Druyalia, Gange Ted. 아주 별이야. 개론 파티주기, 개론 매첩체. 엔지 러중마주, 기주마주 치가. 다이네디 가주에지. 천대 순두 다가지 처리에 대 다시 처과지 차려래.
So you might wonder, what is the reason why we need to have bhikshunis? Or to phrase it differently, what is the problem if there are no bhikshunis? The problem or the greatest difficulty is that in the Vinaya, we can talk about things in terms of the positive or the negative. And in terms of the negative, if there are no bhikshunis, then actually in order to give the vows, either the vows of going forth, or the novice vows, or the bhikshuni vows, for all of them, or excuse me, the novice vows or the vows of training, the Shiksha Maneri vows, for all of these vows you must have bhikshunis. Not only that, in order to receive the bhikshuni vows, you also need to have a sangha of bhikshunis. And so in this, for this reason, if there are no bhikshunis, then it is very difficult to give the vows to women as is described in the Vinaya. It is difficult for women to achieve the vows as, in a proper and authentic manner. So in Tibet, the bhikshus, the male bhikshus, have acted in place of bhikshunis and have given the vows of going forth, the novice vows and so forth. But whether these are authentic vows and how properly these vows are given is a question that does need to be examined.
다는 지주 개배 된지 벤다 아주 별이야다지 뉴에기 배 제발이야 배 가수의 제제 제dengi 배 깨라 시슈르부디 규버르데 그 조가다 말에 조가다 말에 좀 냐면 코라 코라 가수디스 바지 가수 그지 데스지 남도 세난다 다 가다 장을 무르체체 간다 조든 뉴에 제발이야 좋은 자도 좋네요 가담 고마데 주송가 날로래네 gelong만 매나 보메기 도마 탐지 gelong 폐진 처바 인사 이제 송디 완디가 알아 상계 송디 다다디 기구담 가래 기구담 지면도 자 버지디비 디나로래야 송샤 gelong만 매나 gelong 폐진 처거랬어 갤럽 제쇼거랬어 캔보다 라벤 제쇼거랬어 송아
In the Buddha's words, it is said that if there are no bhikshunis, then bhikshus may be able to give the vows. Likewise, the later masters, the later great scholars who followed the Buddha in their treatises wrote similarly. And in Tibet, in the Kadampa tradition, now the Kadampa tradition is the tradition that most treasured the practices of the Vinaya. They kind of kept their distance from the practice of mantra, but they primarily practiced the Vinaya. So in writings by the past Kadampa masters, it is said that if there are no bhikshunis, that bhikshus or male bhikshus can give women all the vows they need. Likewise, it was also said by the Buddha in the Mahaprajapati Sutra that a bhikshu may give women vows. It is said that a bhikshu or a kempo or a upadhyaya or an acharya can give the vows.
다들이 이제 미세 다나 요래 다 이미 직가수에 gelong만 매나사지 다이네 간듯이 나오다 네 아주도 수하다도 잔다 저불인디 토래야 gelong만 다 dinsan 저불인디 춘춘 차려래 엄마도 지금에 다지 오늘 저불인스도 산에 첨부쇼래 다 dinsan 저불인 봐준 주규 제가 상황로지 타님 수차되어 디산 글로벌 빌리지서로 저분이 총세 지는 시작돼요. 봐주 미상만 것이 미상만 저버치 지돼요. 제가 늘리지 규율이 알려야 알아. 제가 늘리지 규율이 되어 인도사 알다 믿어. 다가다 저분이 디토라. 다 엄마이나다 배나 별저지리야. 별사 사실 디토라. 다 gelong만 매나. 나 gelong만 매래. 벌써 저분이 gelong만 매면 집어르죠. 다 대산 점불린 사디 다 베지 아 삼신주사 다 대산 gelong만 도움도 쓰는 점불린 시부디 콜라시부디레베 에 직삼당 차치 기시 저 차려 아래 제 점불린 디 시부디 토래야 다 gelong만 도움도 쓰나 다 대단 저유 난데라 gelong만지 gelong메 다 가다 되지 온디 아래 드네미 주사네 디 유에버지미 인주사네 다 버지 지당게 대바 추송이 대바사지 대바 디 안다 시답지에바마 인스쿠스 추송 대바 인스거래 대바 중세미라레 마도 되는다 gelong만 임치고래 데 인주사다 내게 남상게 비에게 다 gelong메 긴주지 주에베 임인주사네 땅아주 지 비규나데 나로라 gelongme gindu deji kyasu shan do mindo saji samno tongse shidab jigdan dana singi rawa jase shidab jig yongdi yor
So if there are no bhikshunis, then of course the bhikshus can give the vows, but we have to look, are there no bhikshunis? And if we look at the world these days, the world has become small. everything has become closer. The world, in the past, it seemed like the world was huge. It was a huge world, but now that everything seems closer, and it's like the world has become a big global village. We all recognize each other. We all have connections with each other. And so this time we live in now is different than the times of the past. In the past, in Tibet, if you said there are no bhikshunis in Tibet, then it was basically the same as saying that there are no bhikshunis in the world. There was really no difference in that. But now, if we look at this world that has become smaller, we see that are there bhikshunis in the world? We have to think of the entire earth, not just a small portion. So if we look whether there are bhikshunis in the world or not, we see that in the Chinese tradition, yes, there are bhikshunis. And because there are bhikshunis, well, these bhikshunis are in a slightly different tradition. They're in the Dharmaguptaka tradition. We're in the Mulasarvastivada tradition. There's a difference of the tradition, but basically we'd say that yes, there are Buddhist bhikshunis. And so in this world, in Buddhism, there is a sangha of bhikshunis. And because there is the sangha of bhikshunis, there is a hope or a basis for being able to restore the vows.
Ta choji jidangi ta geloma kaswe tang anju phigyu nan de geloma mebe ine anju ta ji motu ne gizuma rojuma da gizuma judi garo ata ta nan shin geloma the ana gelom pai dura ji ye bre gelom pai paso jibu gwan geloma dura ji ye bre ta uju che jana 다 기주마드 주브디가 얼바 이제 지고라 왔다 기주마드 저 지단 셰비는 geloma 두야임 비치리아 다 이네 gelom 파티 다 geloma 첩치에서는 라도 다 야나 우투스는 라도 가래 다 민가르다고 요네 간다 기주마 주브디가 와래 되는 신 셰비미나 아니 무티는 조샤나 가서 되는 신 챈다 간다 셰비나 아니 파소 잠베 고네 geloma 드야 사시 용디기 아래 다게 콘 주변의 신기 다 이내야 딘데 셰비미나 다지 가שו에 베 안조 가שו다 가שו에 야버지 다 간지라고 다디 드레 셰비미나 무티인데 셰비미나 아니 지라 지가서 오늘 전에 표준 소와 야버지 용규 유야나 제고로 봐다 용규 매나 된 답시스게요 말 드레 당연해야 표준 소와지 야버지 용아 지 유야나 다 디초래 베즈를 차치 제고 여인두산 디균전 때네 안다다 뭐지 디지 교규나데 주게롱메긴 데데 슈제 안다 다르 좀 만에 손데 다가다 드리마 준비시도 야 개념만에 손데 준비시도 야 지카르에 도마주야지 도시 세임레 다디 소가 드니주산 다디 디스 지카르에 무슨 소바 야버지 주나 섬제 도시제 가주에 저와로 도시게 심으레스
Now, in Tibetan Buddhism, we may not have bhikshunis, but we do have nuns who have gone forth. We have the Shravaneri novices, and so these vows are given by bhikshus, and so we could restore the bhikshuni vow by just the bhikshu sangha, the male sangha, giving it. And so, if it came down to it, and there's no other choice, then the bhikshu sangha could give the bhikshuni vows. We already give the vows for the novice and the vows of going forth and the novice vows. And so if we had to, and there are no other choice, the bhikshus as either taking the place of, or there being no other alternative, however you phrase it, the bhikshus could ordain bhikshunis. And but if we continued in this way, we'd have to see whether, so this is something that could happen if there were no other alternative. But if we were to do it in this way, then there's the question of whether this would be a really excellent, really the perfect way to do it. If we can't do it perfectly, then maybe we'd have to do it this way. But I think that we need to try to do it properly and perfectly, and so for that reason we have invited this year the bhikshunis from the Chinese tradition who have come and who have given the vows from going forth and now the Shramaneri vows in order to establish the Sangha. And so the hope is that this will work out perfectly and be the best way of doing it.
다디 아주 베준디 체과 균젠디 다지 약하게 삼례 나로라 즉 시계기 보면인데 베슈로 답제 디슈게 탭제 하는 아주지 즉 체브레사 소르직인데 기신에 된데다 도바상인데 오면 씨바 말해 다이냐 나간다 아주 미유 삼다데 다기 고는 쉬가 되는 시래 계시 경험에 긴둥이 되지 매비나 하는 아주 분명히 때려야 동바 지야데 까라하부 차디도 동바 센데는 중앙데 까라하부 차디도 드린 주산 디 준세는 되네 하는 경험에 긴둥이데 과데 신두네야 개침보지 딱하다지 분명히 때려야 간다 개념만 주는다 로종만 주는다 기준만 주는다 이제 상황으로 안주 레쇼 되줄래 두에 레쇼 아주 벽에 날 유대봐 야게 돈 주셔 상황으로 나눠래야 근데 뭐 결혼에 주야지다 되지 마도베 거래 레쇼 주난 되지 주야 장간지 손쇼래 드린 주산에 대디 균전된 내 천의 순진을 정하지 다지 삼은 되지다 조진 되지 다 조진에 가장 공주변한 신기 and it is sangi devasadi lavasungi yamling dubres and losung yamling dubi in Jusana and that lavasungi nanda surim yelava chadi ore surim yelava di and as you permit then surim yelava yonsu zobaji only a kalhapchatus and the Jusan deacons and the day tambe shed to Masamarveda the jigbe gulon which kitchen and bevachava digite the use the Tameki can wadi get him to charge do some group.
Now, it is not impossible that some people might think that Western women came and influenced us, and because of their influence, then we thought that we had to it is because of their influence that we have done this. People may well think this way, but as I mentioned before, this is not the aim. It's as I described before, that the aim or the purpose is that without bhikshunis, then it is very difficult to give vows to individuals who have a female body. It's difficult to give proper, authentic vows to people with a female body. And so this is why it is so extremely important to reinstitute the community of bhikshunis. Because all of the vows that you can take on a female body, the vows of the female lay practitioner, the female who's gone forth, or the novice nun, if we look at how this is described in the ceremonies described in the Vinaya, and we have quite a few of these that are written in Tibetan that were translated from Sanskrit into Tibetan. In all of these, it says that all of the vows that can be given to women should be given by the bhikshuni. And so, for that reason, if we want these to be authentic, true vows, then it is important that we have bhikshunis. So that is one aspect. The other aspect is, as I have mentioned before, that all of the practice of Buddhism is included within the three superior trainings. And of the three superior trainings, the first of these is the training in superior discipline. And in order to practice, But if you do not have the Bhikkhuni vow, then it is difficult to practice the superior training and discipline in a female body. And so for this reason, this is very much a dharmic motivation for us to take on and to make efforts in this way. And so I think it is important for us all to understand this.